Many insurance companies use the Ivans service to deliver transactions to their agents electronically. Agents can use Quick Download to automatically process these electronic transactions and enter client and policy information into QuickFile. Before you can process downloads in QuickFile, you must add the optional Quick Download feature to your subscription, and you will need to have an Ivans account. You'll also need to provide your insurance companies with your Ivans mailbox number, and you'll need to enter the insurance companies in QuickFile with their respective NAIC codes. For a more detailed explanation of these requirements, please refer to the PDF document that accompanies this video. To start using Quick Download, click on the Downloads drawer on the main menu. When the Quick Download window opens, click the Setup button on the toolbar. You can set Quick Download to retrieve your transactions automatically each day at the time you choose. To select this option, check the box labeled Enable Automatic Downloads. Next, select a match mode. If you choose Automatic Match Mode and Quick Download does not find a matching client or policy, it will create a new record. If you choose Manual Match Mode and a corresponding record is not found, Quick Download will mark the transaction as unsuccessful and allow you to match the transaction yourself. When Quick Download processes a transaction for a personal auto policy, it will create an Accord application in the Forms section for your client. If the policy is a Florida, Georgia, or Texas policy, you'll also have the option to create a generic auto quote form. If you're setting up Quick Download for the first time, call our product support department for assistance setting up the Ivans account information section. Click OK to save your choices and return to the Quick Download window. The NAIC Assignments window allows you to update a company's NAIC code directly from Quick Download. Select the company and click the Assign button. Enter the NAIC code and click OK. To manually download and process your transactions, click the Transactions button on the toolbar. Choose Download and Process Transactions through Ivans from the menu. Quick Download will connect to your Ivans mailbox, retrieve your transactions, and process them. To process Progressive and Mercury downloads, choose the Process Pending Transactions button. Your downloaded transactions will be listed below. Selecting the Successful option will display all transactions that have been downloaded, processed, and added to QuickFile. For successful transactions, clicking the entry in the top section of the window will display the action that was performed by Quick Download in the bottom section. Next, we will select the Unsuccessful option. This will list the transactions that require additional action by you. When you click the entry in the top section, Quick Download will display message prompts and buttons to guide you through the transaction. In our example, the NAIC code has not been entered for Valley Insurance Company. If the insurance company has not been entered in QuickFile, you can click the Create New Company button to add the company. In this case, Valley Insurance Company is listed in QuickFile, but the NAIC code has not been entered. We will select the company from the list and click Select Correct Company below. If a matching client is not found in QuickFile, you will have the choice of locating the client manually or creating a new client. Since we know this client has not been added to QuickFile yet, we will choose Create New Client. A message is displayed confirming the client and policy have been added to QuickFile. Click Finish to continue. If QuickFile does not have a place to store information that is sent by your insurance company, Quick Download will process the transaction as a miscellaneous print item. An example of a miscellaneous print item would be an agent bulletin. If you want to remove a transaction from the successful list or the unsuccessful list, you can select the item, click the Transactions button, and choose Discard Transaction. This will move the item to your discarded list. Clicking the View Download Report button will let you create a report that lists downloaded transactions for a date range that you choose. The report can include successful transactions, unsuccessful transactions, or both, and you can sort the report by transaction type, client name, or insurance company.